Truck Driving Assessment Test. Truck Driver Test is an aptitude and personality assessment that will help companies find professional, reliable, organized, and level-headed individuals who are apt to be safety-minded and rule-following. In addition, the test will provide some information on math, skills, and mechanical reasoning aptitude to ensure you have a well-rounded candidate. About this test. So this test will take most candidates approximately 60 minutes, and it consists of 3 parts: an untimed personality assessment, an untimed basic math skills for delivery drivers test, and a 20-minute timed mechanical reasoning test. Preferred skills. So these are basic arithmetic skills, that is quantitative aptitude, spatial awareness, means abstract reasoning, and the ability to read and write English, that is verbal ability and verbal reasoning, knowledge of truck operations and necessary government regulations, a valid driver's license and a good driving record, ability to lift to 80 lbs. This was all. Thanks for watching.